In some sentences, the verb has subject as well as an object. So verb is the doer of the action and object is the receiver of the action. So who, what plus verb tells you about the subject. Now we'll talk about the object. All sentences have a subject and a verb, as we discussed some examples also. Now, all the sentences have a subject and a verb. In some sentences, they contain object also after the main verb. As we discussed the example, Ricky threw pebbles in the pond. In this sentence, Ricky is the subject, threw is the main verb, and pebbles is the object. An object is a part of predicate in a sentence. It receives the action done by the subject. In the sentence, Ricky threw pebbles, it was in the predicate part. Now there are two types of objects, direct and indirect object. The mother fed her child milk. In this sentence, what did the mother fed? Milk. So milk is the direct object in this sentence. And it is also the part of the predicate. What is the subject? Mother. In this sentence, the mother fed her the milk. Her is the indirect object because it is giving the answer of question to whom. To whom the mother fed the milk? She fed to the child. Now a direct object is a noun phrase or pronoun that receives the action of a verb directly. The direct object receives the action directly, like the mother fed milk. So milk was the direct object. Ricky threw pebbles in the pond. Pebbles is the direct object. A sentence that has a direct object may or have an indirect object. So it is not necessary that if sentence contains direct object, it will also contain indirect object. What did I receive? I received the parcel. In this sentence, it is giving the answer of question what? That means it has direct object. What about indirect objects? Indirect objects answers the question at whom, to whom, for whom, from whom. Now, it often comes after a preposition. There can be no direct object without a direct object. So children, this was all about direct and indirect object and object in a sentence. So the object of the verb that receives the direct action of the verb is the direct object, and indirect object does not receive the action directly. So the direct object answers the question whom or what, whereas the indirect object gives the answer of the question to whom, and for what. Like they sent him a postcard. In this sentence, they sent him a postcard. Him is indirect object and postcard is the direct object.